Hey lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I will be sharing with you this delicious hack fish with shrimps in white sauce. I tell you guys, anyone can make this incredible, very fast meal. So stay tuned guys and enjoy watching. So guys, here I have a whole hack fish. I'm just gonna do the fillet myself. It's a frozen hack fish that has been defrosted. I just don't want to have any bone while enjoying my meal. So if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video at the end of it, and also don't forget to subscribe for more interesting video. I have other interesting videos also that might interest you. Please don't forget to check it out. All the ingredients for this recipe will be listed out in the description box. After which I have succeeded in taking off all the bones. I'm still going to use my finger to run through to make sure there is no bone left behind. And then I'm going to wash the fish, like close it, wash it, and use a kitchen roll to tap any liquid out. As usual, I am going to acidulate with some lemon juice and season with salt. Hack fish almost does not have its own taste, so I am going to season with some fish spices. You can use any fish spices of your choice just to boost taste out of this fish. And then I'm going to cut in a small size. It actually does not matter how big or how small you cut your fish in this recipe. After all the fish prepped, I am going to fry it with herbs, garlic oil in a hot pan. This fish should just be not more than 2 minutes, just a little bit brown, and set aside. Next to prepped is my shrimps. I'm going to season with some salt and some lemon oil. Again, I am going to fry my shrimps with garlic herbs oil. Just some minutes again, not too much, and also set aside. Look at this pan guys, please do not wash it off. This is where the taste is. So I am going to add a small amount of olive oil, my sliced onion, and Chery Tomaten. Saute for just 1 minute and declare with white wine if you prefer, or vegetable broth. Next to introduce is my heavy cream. Like guys, this meal is delicious. I don't know why it's not on my menu plan, and from today it's my #1 easy, healthy, fast, delicious meal in my menu plan. I just season with some salt and some pepper, and then introduce my set aside fish and shrimps. I added my spinach, let it cook for just half a minute, and season with some parmesan for better taste and creamy. Thank you so much for tuning in guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so for more videos to keep coming. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I am going to serve this meal with some rice noodle and some spaghetti chips. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like and leave your comment down below. See you in my next one. Bye for now.